Poland is a member of NATO, which is essentially assigned the role of the alliance's forward springboard in Eastern Europe. Quite influential political forces in Poland are increasingly promoting the idea of restoring the empire from sea to sea with all the ensuing consequences for their neighbors, especially given the territorial claims to western Ukraine, Belarus and Lithuania. Increasingly, one can hear the idea of possible separation from the European Union while maintaining special relations with the United States. Against the background of such foreign policy features, a large-scale rearmament of the army is being implemented in Poland. Despite the fact that a significant part of the program is aimed at equipping the armed forces with American and European weapons, its own military-industrial complex allows you to create your own separate types of weapons. To replace the Soviet T-72 tanks and Polish Tvards, a promising Place-01 tank is being created, which, according to Polish experts, is the world's first new-generation tank. The tank has reduced visibility with modern, albeit foreign, electronic equipment. There is no information about its firepower, security and mobility in the public domain yet. Mass purchases of Polish armored personnel carriers, Rosomak, are planned, which are essentially a version of the Finnish armored fighting vehicle, Patriot. Purchases of a new Polish IFV, Borsuk, are being carried out to replace the BVP-1 created under the Soviet license. The new tracked IFV, Borsuk, is equipped with an uninhabited turret with a 30mm automatic cannon of American production, Bushmaster, and Israeli ATGM Spike. The armor of the IFV provides effective protection against anti-tank grenade launchers and detonations of mine-explosive devices. As part of the improvement of armored mechanized troops by Poland, work is underway to modernize the 142 German Leopard 2A5 and 2A6 tanks in service to the Leopard 2 Place version. The Bark Crayfish provides for equipping tanks with new composite armor, sights, and improved gunfire control system, which will be able to use, among other things, programmable ammunition. In addition, the supply of Korean K2 Black Panther tanks is being considered. The Polish artillery will continue to receive 155mm self-propelled howitzers, Crab, with a firing range of up to 40 km and 120mm rack mortars with a firing range of about 10 km and a rate of fire of up to 7 to 8 rounds per minute. As part of the program to increase the capabilities of the ground forces to strike at an operational and tactical range until 2023, 18 Himars modular launchers with ATAKMS missiles with a firing range of up to 300 km are being purchased. From the United States, the Polish military leadership intends to create tank destroyer units and purchase a large batch of anti-tank systems based on the Israeli Spike ATGM, which will be installed on armored vehicles of various types, including the Rosomak. Armored personnel carrier, Borsuk IFV, BVP-1, armored vehicles of various types. The declared maximum firing range of Israeli ATGMs is up to 32 kilometers. According to Polish military leaders, this technique should stop a large-scale invasion of armored vehicles. In addition, work is underway to create a joint lightweight Spike Senior ATGM with Israel, which can be used both on vehicles or armored vehicles, and directly by infantry. And, of course, the program aimed at developing its own loitering munition. Within the framework of the Harpy's Claw program for the renewal of the Air Force from 2024, it is planned to purchase 32 new American F-35 fighters, which should replace the worn-out MiG-29 and obsolete Soviet-made Su-22. It is also planned to create its own drone with elements of artificial intelligence, which would perform the tasks of a slave for the new F-35 and could autonomously hit ground targets, primarily air defense systems. To replace the Soviet-made Mi-24 combat helicopters, the purchase of American Apache Guardian, Viper and Italian Agusta is planned. The program to improve the Polish air defense system, Vistula, by 2022 involves equipping 2 American Patriot PAC-3 anti-aircraft missile systems, and after 2024 with 6 more batteries of this complex, but with improved anti-aircraft guided missiles. The Narev program provides for the replacement of obsolete Soviet short-range air defense systems of the Cub and Osa types with British Sky Sabre anti-aircraft missile systems, which is largely based on the Israeli Iron Dome system. Anti-aircraft missiles of this complex can simultaneously hit several different air targets at a range of about 25 kilometers. The most expensive program of rearmament of the Polish armed forces, called Orka, is to equip the fleet with new submarines produced by Germany of the 212CD project. Due to the shape and special coating of the hull, as well as being equipped with a new low-noise engine, the submarine has the best stealth performance. As an attack weapon, the submarine is planned to be equipped with Norwegian anti-ship missiles NSM. Within the framework of the Swordsman program, Poland is working on the construction of 3 multi-purpose frigates. The ship is planned to be equipped with artillery guns of caliber from 40 to 75 mm, torpedoes, anti-aircraft and anti-ship missiles, as well as ship-to-ground missiles. The American Aegis Ashore missile defense system is deployed in Poland, which is a land-based version of the Aegis ship system. The peculiarity of the system is that it uses universal vertical launch devices Mk-41, of which long-range cruise missiles can also be used in addition to anti-missiles. Thus, the Polish political leadership embarked on the militarization of the country not without the help of the leading world powers. The increasing instability in Ukraine may become a reason to revise the borders of the Polish state. And according to forecasts of some analysts from the United States, Poland may become a leading European power by 2040. Although there are no conditions for this yet. See you soon.